You got the stuff?
Yeah, I got the stuff. Got the cash?
Yeah, about that.
What about it?
You see, I don't have the cash on me. I'm good for it though, man, you know?
You know the rules, man. Pay up or go. You won't let me.
I guess I gotta go.
Hey! You son of a biscuit! Nobody rips me off. I'm going to kill you now!
Good day, sir. Hey, smell an awful lot like drugs.
Drugs. Drugs. What kinds of drugs, officer?
I don't know. Coke and weed? You boomers and your drugs these days.
Coke and weed. Coke and weed. Yeah, that'd probably just be the coke and the weed that I wasn't just selling, because I don't sell coke and or weed.
So, what were you doing over there?
Over there. I was just, you know, burying bodies.
I'm gonna have to take you with.
Come on, officer. I mean, I didn't, do anything. It's just a little bit of an overreaction. Anyway, I ought to be going. So you have a nice day.
Not so fast.
Oh.
You gonna tell me what you were doing back there?
No, not really.
What about the blood on your shovel?
It's not mine, officer.
The blood or the shovel?
Yeah.
You were holding it.
Oh.
Well, what about these?
Those definitely aren't mine, officer.
Oh, really?
Yes, really, mine are still very clearly in my paw. Shoot.
Shoot! You're planning a shooting?
No, officer, I just had to shove.
Listen! I know it was you!
What was me?
The thing!
You don't even know about the murder. You have no evidence.
Let me just get one thing straight. My guys can get confessions out of even the most hardened criminals.
I promise you, officer, I am truly an incredibly soft criminal.
Officer Burke, you remember that Miranda guy that got convicted by the Arizona Supreme Court? The Supreme Court approved his writ of certiorari, and this case is going all the way to the top.
What now?
Yeah, so apparently the Supreme Court might have a problem with the way we do business around here.
What? That's preposterous.
Yeah, I know. Hey, can you tell your guy to cover his ears?
Hey, cover your ears.
I can't.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Yeah, so according to the Fifth Amendment, people have the right to remain silent.
But this guy here doesn't know that.
You see, I think that's the problem. We have to inform people of their rights before we conduct the interrogation. Also, according to the Sixth Amendment, they have the right to have an attorney present, even if they can't afford one.
But what? How am I supposed to get my confessions?
He'll have to say it. Willingly.
Oh God, no!
Calm down, Officer Burke. It's unlikely this will actually go through. After all, we are police officers, and it's our job to get rid of the criminal filth. How else are we supposed to do that without forcing confessions?
You make a good point. The Supreme Court justices would have to be fools to call our business means unconstitutional.
Yes. Alright, Officer Burke, I'm gonna need to talk with you outside for a moment. Can you tell your guy there to hold tight?
Hold tight, you flake, and don't try anything funny while I'm gone. There's more officers waiting outside the door, just so you know. So what did you need me out here for, officer?
So I heard that the American Civil Liberties Union is apparently on our side, and they filed amicus curiae briefs towards the Supreme Court. Because, like us, they know that we want to avoid letting the suspect incriminate themselves as much as possible.
Well, that's reassuring.
Yes. Anyways, you can go back in now. I just didn't want the guy in there to hear all this.
So, about that shovel.
About it?
What were you doing walking around with the shovel in the suburbs on a fine Saturday's Eve?
I was just digging for worms.
Why were you digging for worms?
I'm an avid fisher. I'm an avid fisher.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did you bring a fishing rod too?
Yes.
May I see it?
Yeah, just, untie me, and I can go out to my car, I can fetch it, I can show you. It's great, come on.
Not so fast, bucko. I can't let you go just that easily.
You can't? Can you at least get me, like, a glass of water or something?
I suppose. What in tarnation was that?
An earthquake?
An earthquake.
It was a really small earthquake.
Well, that's gonna be it for today.
Aren't you going to untie me first?
You'll figure something out.
No, hey, now, hey, come on, buddy, please, hey!
Come on, dude, just try it. You'll love it.
Come on, man. You know I'm not about that.
Come on, don't be a scaredy cat.
I need to be going.
Nuh-uh.
Oh god, oh god, oh! Ah! Ah, I like drugs now! Oh god! This is a lot of drugs. It's my life's goal now to sell drugs because of you! High quality stuff, man. I swear, you won't be disappointed.
Oh man, what would I do without you? I freaking need this stuff, man.
Hey, I just supply where there's a need. Come back soon, okay?
You know I will. Probably next week. Anyways, see you around.
See ya.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have received breaking news in the Supreme Court case Miranda v. Arizona. As you all know, Miranda was convicted of rape and kidnapping and sentenced to 20 to 30 years in prison. He appealed to the Arizona Supreme Court because he felt as though his confession was forced and unconstitutional. The Arizona Supreme Court still had him convicted, to which he then appealed to the Supreme Court, where we are now. Based on the law clerk's information, the judges are torn between a clear decision. After hearing the oral arguments, the judges have become concerned that Miranda's confession could have been collected unconstitutionally, although we have yet to hear a clear decision. The Solicitor General Thurgood Marshall made the final arguments before the court. The judges are now going off to a conference to discuss the ruling. We now await their decision.
Listen here, bud. We've got a lot of evidence to put you away for a while, but if you confess now, you might be able to get a lesser sentence.
What evidence?
Confess now and you can get a lesser sentence, otherwise you're looking at life. No parole.
But
Listen! Confess now and this can all be over.
Fine! I did it! Is that what you want to hear?
I'm gonna need a little bit more specificity than that, bud.
Fine! I killed him! Is that it?
Yes. That'll be all.
Officer Burke, the opinion of the court is the Supreme Court ruled 5-4 that Miranda's confession was gained unconstitutionally.
What about the dissenting opinion?
Well, Justice Clark wrote that he thought that it was too strict of an interpretation of the Fifth Amendment, but it doesn't matter because the concurring opinion was that it was in violation of the Fifth Amendment. So we're screwed!
It's no matter. We've already got him confessing to killing someone. We've got all that we need.
Oh, okay. So we're in good shape. We're good.
Yes.
Alright, just making sure.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was
I don't know.
a gambling
Coke and weed,
man
yearbook.
down in New Orleans.
Sorry. Oh god. Wait, so what's the line? That way.
Come on, dude, just try it. You'll love it.
Come on, man. You know I'm not about that. That's a lot of cocaine. That's a lot of cocaine. Alex, that was a lot of cocaine.
Goodness, look at all of that cocaine.
My god.
Listen here, pal. We've got enough evidence to put you away for a while, but if you confess now, we might be able to get you a lesser sentence.
What evidence?
There's nothing you can do to get out of this.
Okay.
Listen here. We've got enough evidence to put you away for a while, but if you confess now, we might be able to get you a lesser sentence.
What?
There's nothing you can do to get out of this. Confess now and you can get a lesser sentence, otherwise you're looking at life, no parole.
But
Listen!
Oh, mother, tell your children